YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Davidedo. This is Davidedo Designs. Today we're starting a new pair of kicks. These are gonna be special. You see, I got the My College Draft polo on today. All right. Go over and follow us on that page on My College Draft. But one of the guys, one of my business partners from My College Draft, just got married. Excited for you. Congratulations, Lamont. Man, we excited for your future and possibilities, and just hope everything just goes well and blessings, man. So this pair right here is going to be a custom for him. So we started with some Jordan 1 lows. All right. He said he liked the lows better. He actually don't know that I'm doing these. I am gonna make these My College Draft design. So stick and stay with your boy. You're gonna make some My College Draft Jordan 1 lows. YouTube, here we go. So we starting off with some fresh out of box Jordan 1 lows. Lamont prefers the lows over having the mid or high, so that's what we did. First hitting these with some tape. I actually really like this red tape because you're able to kind of stretch. It stretches and flexes with the shoe a little bit more. On these, really, the only thing I'm going to be taping off is the sole and that middle panel in the upper, so it looks a little something like this. That's the only places that I'm taping off. So color schemes for these are going to be blue and green and white. There's more of the My College Draft color. So you see me here hitting them with some acetone, just trying to clean them up, get the leather prepared for me to go in and get everything done. So starting to lay down the layers of blue. Thin coats, I think I put on anywhere from, I want to say 4 to 5 coats of each color to get good coverage. I think the blue came out pretty well. You see me here kind of trying to hit that little leather piece right over where the lace holes are, but staying away from the insole because the insole on these are still going to stay white. The toe box is green on these, that My College Draft green, and then the same thing for the heel as well. So just adding those coats, man, layer, keep them thin. Just trying to make sure these shoes are going to be wearable and we would have no issues with it. One thing you won't see in this video is me actually laying down the stencil of the My College Draft logo, but you will get a chance to see that in the reveal if you stay to the end of the video, as well as see Lamont's response to getting them. So now it's time to lace those joints up, man, and then we're done. So subscribe to your boy's channel. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. All right, YouTube. There we have it. These are done. We are going to be naming these My College Draft Jordan 1 lows. You can see color scheme right there with the green, blue, and white. With the My College Draft logo right there. So I think these was another hot ones done. I'm excited about these. Like I mentioned before in the previous video, these right here are going to my boy Lamont. Congratulations on the marriage. Congratulations to you and your wife. I will be sending these out to you with a little gift for you and her. Yeah, man, I'm excited to see you open these.
Man, I can't wait to see these shoes. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't wait. Oh. Oh shoot. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Man, this mug packed like it's a bomb or something. Let me see. I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I couldn't wait to open these. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. I'm about to. Hold on. I gotta catch myself. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. 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 Man, the logo's on the side too. The company colors. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These are clean. These are clean. Oh my gosh. Everybody need a pair of these. Oh my God, these are clean. Y'all better copy y'all pair of these. My college draft. Education is the new money. You better get you some. All these are clean. Oh my gosh, bro. David, you are a genius, bro. Oh my gosh, it's a clean. Oh my God, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much, man. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my gosh. Thank you, David. Thank you, man.
Boom, there you have it. Another successful one. Once again, happy for you, Lamont. Happy for your wife. Happy for your new family. And I wish you all the blessings that are supposed to come your way. I'm just excited for you and excited for this opportunity for you, man. You have some wonderful things to pour into the young man that is now in your life, that is your son, as well as into your new wife. So I'm excited for you guys, man. God bless. Until next time.